there's still a lot to be done getting the MacGregor and even the trailer it's on ready for the first Shakedown cruise. I did get longer ropes for the fenders, and although I couldn't lift the generator from the ground onto the boat, I was able to lift it onto the hood of the car and from the hood of the car onto the boat. So in the end, I got the generator onto the boat. And there's more stuff from Amazon. A spout for a gas can that I got for filling the generator. Oh, a seat cushion that can be used as a throwable life-saving device. A marine radio. And 2 more of the little gas cans that will fit underneath the seats on the cockpit of the MacGregor. And this is a really nice anchor. It's kind of a Mantis clone called Excalibur and was a lot cheaper than a Mantis. So this is no good. This part here will punch a hole in the bottom of the boat if I get the boat off center on the trailer. So I've got a new one of these. It was supposed to be like, I don't know, goalposts to drive the boat in between to get it centered on the trailer. So after installing the new one, then I can take care of the old problem. Oh, and this is awesome. Although installing it is a little more complicated than I had hoped. So it's probably going to have to wait until over the winter when I have time. But this will be very nice to have. Oh, and my PVC ladder had a problem. When I step on it, it'd go up against the side of the boat and sort of force my foot off of the ladder. So I made these 2 bumpers that are part of the ladder now. And when a replacement is made out of metal, it will have to have some sort of bumper like that. So I'm preemptively preventing the problem that was on the other side by sawing off the other goalpost and replacing it. Oh yeah, this piece of wood wrapped in carpet had fallen off, so I zip tied it back on for now. And the last thing that I've done so far is to replace the ropes that are used to raise and lower the rudders. This one rudder had been taken off because the rope had broken and it would sort of drag. So I put it back on, and now I'm replacing the rope from the other rudder as well.